Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kevin Redandi. Right now I will presentation about analysis of the effectiveness and user certification of the digital population identity or IKD application. We are from group 7. The member is Kevin Redandi, me, and Muhammad Farhad Nirwansyah and Muhammad Gifari. Background. Digital transformation has become a main pillar in improving the quality of public service, and in this context, the Digital Population Identity or IKD was launched as a strategic initiative to facilitate public access to population data. However, the implementation of IKD face several significant challenges that hinder the user experience, especially related to often confusing navigation, an application display that is not responsive to various devices, and minimal adequate feedback to user, all of which contribute to a decrease in certification and efficiency in the utilization of this service. Problem identification. Number 1 is intuitive navigation. Number 2 is inconsistent and low contrast visual display. Number 3 is lack of feedback or notification from the system. Number 4 is not adaptive to various device screen size. And the last is absence of user guide or onboarding features. Problem formulation. Improving IKD application usability and visual consistency. The main focus is on how to redesign the IKD application interface to address issue of confusing navigation and inconsistent low contrast visual display. The primary question is what kind the design strategy would be efficient in creating a more logical and intuitive navigation flow, while also building strong visual consistency, including color selection and layout, to ensure user can interact with the application efficiently and without hindrance, terribly in reducing cognitive load and improving overall ease of use. Optimizing IKD application responsive and user support. And this point examines how to ensure the IKD application can function optimally across various devices and provide adequate support for user. This includes effort to make the application adaptive to various device screen size so that the user experience remains smooth regardless of the gadget use. In addition, it is also important to add feedback or notification feature from the system to provide clear information to user, and to develop effective user guide or onboarding features to help new user understand and utilize all application functionalities easily from the outside.
Needs analysis and scope. Based on the 5 problem identification points, namely intuitive navigation, inconsistent and low contrast visual display, lack of feedback or notification from the system, non-adaptiveness to various device screen size, and the absence of user guide on onboarding features. The needs analysis of this project is focused on a comprehensive redesign of the user interface or UI and user experience or UX of the digital population identity or IKD application to make it more intuitive, easy to use, and responsive. The scope includes comprehensive user research to understand specific pain points related to navigation and visual consistency, the development of design solution to improve display contrast and consistency, the implementation of a more informative, notification and feedback system design adjustment to be adaptive to various device screen size, and the design and integration of clear user guide on onboarding features to facilitate new user adoptions. The goal is to present an IKD application that not only meets functional needs but also provides a seamless, efficient, and satisfying interaction experience for all users. And then research objective and target. Number 1, to redesign the IKD application navigation to be more intuitive and easy to use, with the target of reducing the average time user take to complete key text by at least 25%. Number 2, to improve the consistency and contrast of the application visual display, with the target of achieving a design consistency score of at least 90% and meeting WCAG 2.1 AA accessibility standards for color contrast ratio. Number 3, to develop an effective feedback and notification system within the application with the target of ensuring 100% of user interaction requiring confirmation or status information receive clear and timely feedback from the system. Number 4, to create an IKD application that is adaptive to various devices and user-friendly for new users, with the target of ensuring the display function optimal on various screen size and achieving a 85% understanding of basic feature by new user after using the onboarding feature. And then explanation number 1, concept and benefit of digital population identity or IKD. Digital Population Identity or IKD is a digital version of the electronic ID card or eKTP that is stored and accessed through a smartphone application. IKD is developed by Directorate General of Population and Civil Registration or Dukcapil under the Ministry of Home Affairs to support the digital transformation of public service in Indonesia. Main benefits of IKD. Number 1, practical. People don't need to carry a physical ID card. Number 2, accessible. It can be used for various services, banks, hospital, BPJS, etc. Number 3, administrative efficiency. Speed ups and simplifies bureaucratic process. Number 4, cost saving. Reduce the cost of printing and storing physical document. Number 5, data security, user encryption, and digital authentication system. And then IKD is also expected to become the foundation of a national single identity system, integrates with other national information system.
Okay, thank you Brother Givari. My name is Muhammad Faratimansyah. Explanation 2, user certification advantage and disadvantage of IKD. User certification, most user are certificated with IKD because it is easier to use for accessing public service. It allows them to access their identity data without needing physical documents. Faster service times, especially at institutions already integrated digital. However, there are some user complaints such as the app is difficult to use for the already elderly or those unfamiliar with digital technology. It depends on internet connectivity. Not all institutions expect IKD as a legal substitution for a physical ID. Advantage of IKD: digital and portable. Digital and portable identity can be accessed anytime, anywhere. 2. Reduce risk of loss. No need to worry about losing a physical ID card. 3. Modern and integrated support the smart government program. 4. Promote promotes transparency, easy to track and audit identity usage. Phone and internet access to the field for certain community. The elderly and rural communities might struggle to access it. 3. Security risk. If the phone is lost and not secured, there is potential for misuse. 4. Not fully recorded. Many instances still do not fully recognize its legal validity. Problem solving for the use of digital population identity. One problem, digital divide. Not all candidates have smartphone or internet access, especially in remote areas or among the elderly solution. The government can provide public service packages using IKD at subdistrict or village office. Training and assistance for using IKD, especially for vulnerable groups. Technology aid program affordable smartphone for underprivileged citizens. 2. Problem lack of digital literacy. Many people still don't understand how to use the IKD application solution. Massive public education and socialization through social media, television, and local outreach, development of simple user manual and video tutorials. Involve digital volunteer or local community workers to assist with training. 3. Problem dependence on internet access. IKD requires on internet connection for access and update solution. Develop limited offline access. Feature e-age saving QR codes or basic data. Expand access to affordable and stable internet, especially in rural areas. Provide manual alternative at public service location in case of connectivity issues. 4. Problem data privacy and security concerns. There are concerns about data breach or identity theft solution. The government sought from a civil security team to monitor threats and profit protection. 5. Problem not widely accepted yet. Some institutions do not recognize IKD as a valid solution for physical ID solution. The council and local governments should issue official recognition mandating acceptance of IKD, promote system integration, exert institution, civil registry, banks of social police edge. Offer interface to institution head adopt and integration the IKD system early. 6. Problem application is stable. The IKD app substation extension errors, lagging or login failure solution, conduct regular maintenance and bug fixed by app developer. Provide a digital complaint center and call center for your support. Release a lightweight version of the app for user with low space device. Constellation of digital population identity. The digital population identity (IKD) is an integrated digital version of the electronic ID card (eKTP) aimed at making it easier for citizens to access and use their population data more efficiently, quickly, and securely. IKD provides a modern solution to administrative service needs in the digital era and support the realization of an electronic-based government system. Although IKD offers many benefits such easy access, time efficiency, and reduced costs for physical document printing, its implementation still faces several challenges, including the digital divide, limited digital literacy, and lack of full execution by various institutions. The 3. 4. The successful implementation of IKAD requires strong support from the government in the form of clear regulation, public education, investment, digital education, infrastructure, and robust data security and privacy protection. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.